How to buy Bitcoin from Venmo. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily purchase Bitcoin on Venmo. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Venmo application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After this, you'll find your profile icon at the bottom, and right besides it, you'll find the crypto tab. Just head over there, and once you land on the crypto tab, click on Bitcoin, and it will take you to the Bitcoin page where you can purchase Bitcoins. So go ahead and select Bitcoin here, and then from here, you can just click on the buy option that you see down below. Once you click on buy, you can enter the corresponding amount that you want to buy Bitcoin of, and then click on review. After entering the amount here, you can see you're buying this amount of Bitcoin and the exchange rate of this, and the price is this, and you will find the transaction fee as well. Now simply click on the buy Bitcoin option, and once you have done that, it will show you that you've successfully bought $10 of Bitcoin. Now you could add these kind of stickers indicating that you've bought some Bitcoin on your account as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.